Alright YouTube, we have a Home Depot bike today, pretty unusual. This is the Benelli Mio. The Benelli Mio. This is getting from A to B in style with ease. Has never been so quick, easy and affordable. Powerful 350 watt front hub motor, assists to speeds up to 32 kilometers an hour. Lithium ion 36 volt 8.8 amps battery, lasts up to 70 kilometers on a single charge. Shimano Tony 7-speed gearing system. Battery fully charges in 4 to 6 hours, 26-inch wheels, assembled weight 47 pounds. Let's dig into it. So inside the box, nicely packaged, should be mostly assembled. Looks like we got an accessory box. So not much in the accessories box. There's the charger right here, some nice city pedals, and the manual. And here's the bike right out of the box. Looks pretty much completed already. Just need to put on the pedals and the front handlebars, and it's ready to roll. Looks like I forgot this. So this should go on here before you put in the stem. So let's take out the stem, put that back in. And so there she is, the Benelli Mio city bike. Quite nice, around $1,800, $1,900. 7-speed Tony gearbox. Pretty well built. Just had to put on the handlebars, the pedals, take off the packaging, and she's good to go. Let's take it for a quick spin.
The next day.
Okay, so it's the next day. I couldn't get it to work yesterday. I thought it was just a problem with the battery. The battery wasn't charging, but there was no power up here. But for the life of me, I could not get it working even after the battery was fully charged. So I ended up calling Benelli support, who were very good in the end. So this is what you have to do. So there's a switch here. You turn it, press it down to turn it on. Press this, you should get all lights. Now what you need to do is come over here to this little doofus. So it's down the side. So hold, comes on, hold again, 2 seconds, turns off. Now you show me any YouTube video that gives you that much information. Alright, so let's see if this throttle works. We have power over here. Don't know if you can see it. Over here, let's go. There it is. So pedaling, and she's off. Woohoo! So there we have it, the Benelli Mio, available at Home Depot. Shimano Tony 7-speed derailleur, 350-watt battery. Super confusing power switch, which is actually quite easy once you know what you're doing. So right now it's on. Now it's off. 1 second, turn it on. Around. Two seconds. Turn it on. Turn it off. Customer support says yours might be different. Just play around till you find it. Have a good one.